All right. Hi guys, it's your girl Sid. Just kidding. My name is Sydney. This is the first video I will be posting. This is going to be a super basic video. Um, I just want to go over the basics of conversions because most of the conversions you're doing in med math is like grams to milligrams, from micrograms, all of that stuff. So they usually teach you through MedMath how to do it by doing like 1/1,000 or 1/100, and I feel like that is extremely confusing. So the way I learned how to do it, which I think is 1,000 times easier, is this method. So let me go ahead and write it out for you, and I do apologize. I have terrible handwriting. So you go King. I'm gonna write this whole thing out. King Henry died by drinking. Oh my gosh, I can't even spell drinking right. Hold on. By drinking chocolate milk. And you're probably like, what the hell does any of this mean? So, this is just to remember, I think the word's like an anagram. You just want to remember the first letters of each of those words. So, I'll go ahead and write that out. So, it's King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. And what the heck does this mean? Let me tell you. So these are all of the um, like different parts of the metric system. So you have kilo, which is right here. I think this is freaking hecto. Yeah, it's hecto. And then D is deca. You don't ever use the hecto or deca. And then B right here is base. So by base, I mean your basic just gram or your basic liter. So it's not a milliliter, it's not a milligram, it's not a kilogram, it's not a kiloliter, it's just your basic one. Then next is your deci, which is something you're using a lot, centi, which is another one you're using a lot, and then milli, which is the one we're using pretty much every single time. So the reason this makes it a million times easier is this is how, and I'm just going to show you how to do it really quick. Let me go ahead and erase all of this stuff. All right, so this makes conversions a million times easier. So say we have a question and it's asking you to do 0.005 milligrams and you need to convert it to, that's an arrow, grams. So instead of having to do the 1/1,000 times yada 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 yada, I'm just going to show you the easier way of doing it. Let me erase this. So what we're going to do is we're wanting to go from milligrams, which is this little guy right here, to grams, which is the base right here. So all you're going to do, you're going to start at milligrams and you're just going to count your way over. So 1, 2, 3. So that is moving the decimal point 3 times. So you're starting from milligrams, which is where we're at right here. This is what we're starting with, and we want to get to grams. So you're going counting 1, 2, 3. So let's bring that down here. All we're going to be doing is moving the decimal point 3 times. So we're going from milligrams to grams. So we're going to move it 1, 2, 3. And this is where your decimal point is going. You're just going to add those zeros. So our answer is going to be 0.0000005 grams if you're going from milligrams to grams. And that was kind of a bad example because that's like a big number. But let me go ahead. We're going to do another example. Just going to delete this. Our next example could be, let's see, we can do, I don't know why I like using 5 so much. So let's do 500 milligrams, and we need to get it into grams. So we're going to be doing the same exact thing. We're starting at milligrams. We're wanting to go to grams. So we're just counting 1, 2, 3. And if you have 500, our decimal point is just right here, so you can even add some zeros. So we're going to move it 3 times to the left. 1, oh gosh, I can't even draw. Let's do that again. So 1, 2, 3. So your answer, you're going to put that decimal point right there, is 0.5, yeah, to 0 grams. And that is your answer. All right, let's do a few more examples. I'm going to delete this. If this doesn't make any sense, which I really hope it does, please just let me know in the comments. All right, let's try that again. Let's do 0.00002 grams, and you need to move it into milligrams. And this is going to be like the #1 conversion you're doing in med math. So let's see, we're starting from grams, which is this one right here, and you need to get it to milligrams, which is right here. So now we're moving the decimal point to the right. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3. What we're doing is moving that decimal point to the right. So let's do it right here, 0, 0, 0. How many zeros is that? 2. Perfect. We're just moving it 3 to the right. 1, 2, 3. So your answer, 0.02. But make sure you don't forget that 0 in the front because that's how ATI loves to get ya. So that is the answer. So these conversions are super, super simple. I think it's easier, especially when you're doing all of that homework in your tests for med math or on ATI. I'm going to do one more example. Let's do one coming from kilo. So let's do 0.00005 kilograms, and we need to get to grams. So we have kilograms, and we need to change it to grams. So we're going to go ahead and count. 1, 2, and 3. So we're just going to be moving the decimal point 3 times. So let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's kilograms. And we're just moving that decimal point 3 times to the right. So 1, 2, and 3. So 1, 2, and 3. So your answer is going to be 0.05 grams. And don't forget that 0 on the front. But yes, so that's the easiest way to do conversions. I hope that's helpful, and I do apologize that my handwriting is so messy. But if you have any other questions, please feel free to message me or leave a comment. All right, thanks, guys.